Hi there, this is Veena. Welcome to Pattern Cake. Today, let me show you how I make the popular Goan Ambot Tik curry with prawns. Making this delicious curry is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Yes, you'll soon see how. We'll start by marinating the prawns. Here I have 400 grams that I've shelled, deveined and washed. After cleaning them, they measured around 1 cup. I'll marinate these with 1 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Let's coat the prawns well with the marinade ingredients. To make fish ambot tik curry, usually fish that has hardly any bones is used, like shark, pomfret or solefish. Let's cover the prawns and let them marinate while we proceed further with making the curry. The second step involves preparing the ambot tik masala paste. To make this, we'll first soak a lime-sized ball of tamarind in a quarter cup of warm water for around 20 minutes. In the meanwhile, let's check out the dry spices used in the masala. I'll use 7 dried Kashmiri chillies. I've already broken off the stems. And we'll also use 5 cloves, 12 peppercorns, a 1-inch stick of cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. I'll break the dried chillies up before adding them to my grinder jar. And then add the remaining dry spices. Let's grind all of this to a fine powder. To this powder, let's add a sliced 1-inch ginger piece and 6 cloves of garlic, each cut into 2 or 3 slices. We'll also add the soaked tamarind along with the water it was soaked in and 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Let's grind all of this to a smooth paste, adding a little water if necessary. Here's our curry paste. I'll transfer it to a bowl. In the third step, we'll prepare the curry. In this vessel, I have 2 tablespoons of oil heating on a medium flame. To this, I'll add 1 medium-sized chopped onion. Let's fry the onion till it is lightly browned. And then add in the curry paste. And saute this for around 2 minutes. After that, we'll add in the marinated prawns and saute them in the masala for 3 minutes. Next, we'll add in the rinsing of the grinder jar and around 1 cup of water. Let's give the curry a stir and add 5 dried kokum skins and a slit green chilli. Let's stir everything and bring the curry to a boil. And then cover the vessel and cook the prawns in it on medium heat for around 3 minutes. Not more, or the prawns will become rubbery. After that, we'll add 1 teaspoon of sugar to balance all the other flavors. And then taste the curry. It could do with an extra half teaspoon of sugar and a quarter teaspoon of salt. If you want the curry to be spicier, you could also add in some chilli powder. Now let's turn off the heat and let the curry rest for half an hour to let the flavors of the prawns and the spices blend into the curry. After that, you could reheat the curry before serving it out. Time to plate our delicious prawn ambot tik curry. Now, let me show you how soft and well cooked the prawns are. Perfect. I assure you, the curry is super tasty. And as you've just seen, easy peasy to make as well. Do give my Ambot Tik curry recipe a shot and let me have some feedback about how you liked it, okay? But don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe to my channel right away. I'll say bye for now. But till we meet again, happy cooking!